Hi my little nation, it's me, Nalina Knives, and today we are going to be doing a video with Amazon wigs. Now, I don't think I've done a video like this on my channel before, but all of these wigs put together were less than $100 range. I will try to insert some pictures and prices in the video to go along with each wig. So my fiance's little sister already braided my hair. Yes, you heard me right. Fiance. For those of you guys who don't know, I am engaged. Lots have been happening since the last time that we spoke to each other. I haven't been filming recently because a lot of things have been happening with work and progressing in life in general. I actually am now a beauty consultant and a beauty advisor, but they're two different jobs at two different locations. Excuse you. Okay, so yeah, two different locations. Things have been going relatively good so far. Let's jump right into this video and enough rambling. The wig cap I'm going to be using, I do believe I got off of Amazon as well. It is by Charisma. Alright, so this is going to be the first one I'm going to open up. Alright. Interesting. It's a lot of rootage. Let me get my ears out though. That's a look. Okay, so it's a little wavy. It feels a little brassy. I feel like the ends are going to tangle a lot. I definitely won't say that this looks natural. This does not look natural. I'm going to try doing some concealer right here. Okay, I don't like this. Alright, this is the first wig. I don't like this at all. It makes my forehead look really weird. There's some blonde like right out in front. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it just makes the hair look a little weird in my opinion. You can try like styling it, putting like a clip. No, I feel like a fortune teller. Here is the length of the wig. It's about right underneath my boobs. I think a pair of earrings really do complement this look. And I don't know, maybe it'll be good for like Instagram photos. If you wore a hat with this or something to cover up this really bad hairline, then I would definitely wear this out then. So out of 5 stars, I definitely give this wig a good 3.5 maybe. It's not that bad at all. Like, I'm feeling my fortune teller vibes. Kind of like it. I don't know why. It's different. Who is she? Okay, so we're going to try on the next wig. I haven't opened this box at all, so I think I deserve a thumbs up on this video just for being patient. Oh! Okay, one of these wigs actually come with a wig cap, so I didn't need to buy my separate wig cap, but I didn't know, so now, oh, this one too. And this one as well. I guess the other one just didn't come with a wig cap, so I don't know. Since I already have this one in my hand, I think we are going to do this one. This one I believe is supposed to be black with bangs. All right, we're gonna take this little baby out of the wig, or out of this net. Okay, so there's no clips in this either, and the bangs look a little short, but once it's on my head, I'm pretty sure I can, you know, make it work. The length is really pretty, and this hair is really soft. A little strands are coming out. It's not shedding like crazy. The other one didn't shed either. So I'm actually really excited to put this on. Ooh, whoa, what? Okay, so these bangs are definitely something else. I feel like the hair itself, it's a little thin for my liking. It's a little thin for my liking. The bangs, it looks like someone just grabbed scissors and went right across. I don't know about that, to be honest. I almost kind of like it better without the bangs in a really weird way. If I had like a black cap on, I feel like that'd be a lot better, because the hairline, it goes like right here, and so you can see your bald cap. So I would like it to push this a little further up. There we go. So the bangs are a little long now. All right, so here's the top of the wig. It doesn't look that bad, but also, like, what is this scalp? I'm just waiting for someone to walk in my house and see me doing this. I don't know. Let me try styling it just a little bit different. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like even changing the part and changing like the wig itself, it's just, I'm not really feeling it, to be honest. I don't like it. Let me try parting the wigs, the bangs right down in the middle. I mean, the wig length is pretty good. I like the length. And the hair is very soft. But in terms of wearability, I'm not really feeling this one. Okay, so I found out that the wig doesn't look that bad if you put the bangs to the side like this. I mean, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. The head still looks weird. Time for wig number 3. I'll leave all the links in the description below if they're still up. It's not bad. This one also has bangs, no clips in the inside. I'm in love with the color. The color is everything. I really love the length.
The bangs are something else.
Okay, so besides the bangs, I love this wig.
I love it.
Or I can put some of these hairs back like this and pin it, and then bring the wig forward just a little bit. Okay, so the bad thing about pinning your bangs back is that you are going to see, this isn't my bald cap. This is actually the foundation of the wig, like right here. I don't know wig terms, but that's not my bald cap, by the way. It's probably the only bad thing is this part right here. I can try putting concealer on it, but I don't even think that'll help at that moment. I'm gonna try like brushing the little hairs under the wig to try hiding it, and it's working. Okay, that looks so much better. What do you guys think about this wig? I really, really like this. I mean, it feels pretty good. Like if someone touched this, I don't think their thoughts automatically be like, oh, this is a wig. I really love, like I said, the length, the texture, the waviness. I actually really, I'm feeling this wig, to be honest. Like, I don't feel like me. It's crazy. So yeah, what do you guys think? I really, really like this wig. This is it. This is for the price. Are you kidding me? This is a good ass wig. I'm happy. Money well spent. 5 out of 5 stars, hands down. I actually don't want to take this off. I love it so much. I need more pictures with it. Well, my ring light just turned off, so hopefully we can make it through this last wig. Okay, this one is a little bit more of a more pale blonde, like a platinum blonde. Wow, we actually have one lace front in here. Okay, so this one is a lace front wig, and it actually has clips inside. Wow, so far, oh yeah, and this one's short. Yeah. So I thought I would include a short wig since everything else was so long. I actually wanted something that was a little shorter, a little bit more different. I mean, it isn't that bad. It has a really nice volume. The length is actually pretty cute. It's shoulder length, it's a little chip choppy, and it's actually really soft. Like if someone felt this, they'd probably think it was your real hair. Actually really pretty. I just really wish I had decent lighting. Take me to the rooftop, I wanna see a world when I stop breathing, turning blue.
Audio
Hi, I'm home.
Hi.
Oh my god.
I know, don't look at me.
No, I'm looking at Kiara hiding in your box.
Oh, I know. She likes the box.
Can I tell you a secret?
Yeah, what's up?
If you don't tell my parents,
Yeah, I won't tell your parents. What'd you do?
I will high five you just this once.
Okay.
I'm gonna be late. My girl's gonna be at home waiting for me. Like, where the fuck my man at?
I sound like that to you.
Audio.
Okay, so I'm going to take a really quick break. Hopefully my ring light turns on and we will continue with this review in maybe 4 hours. See you then. Okay, I feel like the only problem is that my sideburns here show just a little bit. So I'm gonna try pulling the wig just a little closer. It's really cute. It's a cute wig. I definitely give this wig about 4.5 out of 5 stars. I mean, I only have half blonde hair, so I can pull out some on this side to make that look more natural, and that's not a problem. But on this side where my half is black, it's a problem. So you can like pretty much part it any way you want. So, except, I don't know if you can do it straight down the middle. Actually, you can. Okay. Side part. You can do it to the other side. Well, I feel like the only real legit complaint I do have about this wig is that it's personally not big enough for my head. I had to actually let my braid down in the back just for it to fit a little closer onto my head. I can try doing that with the other braid, just letting it out just for video purposes, obviously, and see if I can get it to fit my head a little bit better. It's definitely not as tight as it was before, now that I let my braids out. Oh, it feels so much better. It is pretty short. I don't know if you guys can see, for it being like a lace front, it's not that like, it's not completely unnatural, like right here in the front, but definitely could use a little something. All right, so here's an up close kind of view. I actually really like it up close, like this, where you can't see the hairline. But I mean, I guess it was worth money. Like, honestly, it was pretty cheap. I mean, it was under what, like, I don't even remember. I'll insert a picture, and I'll insert some more pictures of me with the wig. So I don't think it was a complete waste of money because it was a fun experience, and I actually want to do more of these. I might actually have a problem now. This was really fun trying them on for you guys and learning a little bit more about wigs because I know absolutely nothing about wigs. So I feel like this was a pretty okay one to end on. Like I said, I will insert some more pictures of me with this wig on, and I guess that will conclude the video. Yeah, so I will see you guys later. Bye.